continuation of this on how to create whiteboard animation video, and it's going to be centered on how to create an educational video for children on introducing a fruit for them. So if this is what you want to see, please do well to stay to the end of the video, and please subscribe to my channel. It's very, very important for me. Please subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Also like, because when you like my video, more people will be seeing it, and it will make my video to go viral. That's the importance of liking a video. Then for you to tap on the notification bell, so that when I post a video, YouTube will send it to your home page, and you will be able to see it anytime you come online. Please do well to subscribe and stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how you are going to create this learning kit video for your children, or for your content creation, or for YouTube, or for any other platform. And again, if you are a newcomer that just coming across my video, thank you for coming nearby. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for coming. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and give it a like, and also subscribe. It's very, very important that you subscribe to my channel. This is the only way you can support me. If you're my own subscriber, thank you for always coming to watch my video to get a value. And please do well to stay to the end of this video, because in this video I'm going to show you how to create a whiteboard animation video for your channel, or for your content creation, or for your kids. It's a learning video for anybody. And thank you, because we're heading to 500 subscribers, and we all know it's not easy. With you and with your help, I was able to achieve it. Let's dive into the video of the day. So this is my Canva, and that is what I'm going to be working with. I opened my Canva. What I will do next is to come to create blank. After it might have opened, I've done A, so I'm going to start from D, E, and F. Come to first, then take heading. Remember, we have done letter A, B, and C, so we're starting with D. I'm going to type D. Then when I type D, I'm going to make it very bold. The next thing I'm going to do is to take the subheading and say that D is for what? What can represent D? There are a lot of things that D can represent. D is for dog, D is for duck. So I'm going to use. Then the next thing is to look for character. Which font do I want? Last time I used Alice. This is Alice I used last time. I still want to use it. It's fine. What I will do next is to come to element, then type sketch. Sketch. Enter it. Then come to a graph, because graphing is where I will get the type of image that I like. So there's a lot of dog here. I need this one is fine. Well, let me look for if I will see more. There is no words. Okay. Let me go with this, and I'm going to make it very big. This one is already big on its own. So I'm going to duplicate the page again and go to letter F. And F is for fox. Then expand if I like. Then come here, type sketch fox. Enter it. So a lot of fox. Come to graphics. There are a lot of fox. Fox. So let's look for the one that is beautiful. I want to take this one, then delete this to replace it with this. Let's look for more. Out of this, let's check it. Let's check. This is okay. The first one I choose is after I might have finished. The next thing I'm going to do is to save the images to my gallery before I will now go to create the whiteboard. Let's continue. Please, if you are getting value in this video, help me subscribe, please. help me and subscribe to my channel, please, because that is the only way you can support me. Thank you. So I'm going to save it here. Go to share. Go to download. I'm going to download it like as PNG and say download. So it's done. I'm going to go to file, create new design, go to video, then come to app. This is my app here. This is my app. Then I will type SpeedPaint. This is it here. Then take SpeedPaint. It will tell me to download a file. The first one is doc. Open. How many seconds is it supposed to use and create this? Let's say just tell it 10 seconds. 10 seconds. And leave every other thing like that and tell it to generate. After that, I will tell it to set as background. Come to the next page. Then go back to SpeedPaint. Go back to app. Go to SpeedPaint. Download the second one, which is letter what? Letter EE. Open. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Generate. When I'm generating them, don't forget on my own app, I'm using the SpeedPaint that has speed and space paint. Some people, their own laptop or their own phone can accept the SpeedPaint that is together, but the one I'm using is the speed space paint. And also, you will give it time to generate because it used to take time to upload. So you have to give it a little time to upload. If you have not subscribed to my video and you have not liked this video, please don't do that right now. Just like the video. It won't cost you anything to subscribe and like my video. Help me, please. So it has finished downloading. I'm going to tap on Add to Design. After that, I'm going to right click on my mouse and take set video as background. Come here again, tap here, still go back to app, take SpeedPaint, choose file. I'm going to choose Fox, which is the last one. Then change it to 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Because I want it to press very well. Then I'm going to tap on Add Design. The next thing I'm going to do is to set it as video background. Then come back. We have finished adding all our SpeedPaint graphics. So in between here, I'm going to put my transition. Come to the next place. I've added my transition. Then I can now go to audio. I want to put a background music. Go to upload, go to audio. Going to add this one. So let's play it and see. You see? Do you like what you see? Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please do like to subscribe and like this video and hit the notification bell because I'm going to continue on where we stop until we reach to letter Z. Thank you and see you in my next video.